Chicken breasts, oven baked. Ever thought it would be this easy? First things first, preheat your oven to 220 degrees. A well-heated oven is crucial, and science backs it. It ensures the chicken cooks evenly, yielding juicy results. Start by choosing the right chicken breast. Fresh organic ones are ideal. They result in better taste and quality. If they're too thick, flatten them to an even thickness using a meat mallet. And trust me, it'll help them cook through evenly. Seasoning is where the magic happens. Grab salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Mix them up. This simple blend unlocks layers of flavor. Rub it evenly on both sides of the chicken. It's a foolproof method to bring out the taste. Next, think about marination. If time allows, let the chicken sit in olive oil and lemon juice for an hour. This step improves tenderness and infuses a zesty flavor. Deep marination is key. It's like giving the chicken a flavor spa. And before you place them in the oven, don't forget the baking dish. Line it with parchment paper or lightly coat it with olive oil. This prevents the chicken from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. You'll thank me later. I also lay your seasoned chicken breasts in the prepared dish. Make sure they aren't touching. Crowding them would haphazardly affect cooking, leading to uneven temperatures. Respect each piece's personal space for optimum results. Set your timer for 20 minutes. That's right, just 20 minutes for the first check. Oven temperatures may vary, but aim for an internal temp of 75 degrees. Keeping that thermometer handy can prevent a dry chicken disaster. Around the halfway mark, flip your chicken. This move guarantees an evenly golden exterior. Plus, it allows the juices to redistribute, cutting down the chance of them being dry. This is the pivotal, checkmate moment in your cooking game. While you wait, consider whipping up a quick sauce. Mix some Greek yogurt with herbs and a pinch of salt. You'll get a creamy, tangy accompaniment that takes your dish to the next level. Less than 5 minutes for a wow factor. Once done, let them rest for at least 5 minutes. It's like decompressing after exercise. This resting period locks in the juices and allows flavors to meld harmoniously. Skipping this step would be like reading a book's last page first. Finally, serve them with roasted vegetables or over a bed of greens. And the contrasting textures of the veggies elevate the dish. Colorful veggies can also make the serving presentation Instagram worthy. People eat with their eyes first. And pro tip, this method can spark weekday routine magic. Spend an hour prepping these chicken jewels for meal prep success. They stay moist when reheated, with taste and health in every bite. A recipe that's truly weeknight, life-changing.